Hi, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. I appeal all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. Today we are going to begin a new chapter from English grammar. The title of the chapter is Structures. There are several structures in English language. With the help of structures, you can communicate in a better way. You can write English effectively. So, it is very important that you should have an adequate knowledge of structures. Let us start to study the structures with me. Today, we are going to start with a very basic structure of English language. The structure is like this: S plus V. The structure is S plus V. Here S stands for subject plus V stands for verb. With the help of this structure, we can build up several sentences. Let us start to build up a few sentences with me with the help of this particular structure. Birds fly. Birds fly. So here birds is the subject, fly is the verb. Birds fly. Birds is the subject, fly is the verb. So here the structure is subject plus verb. River flows. River flows. Here river is the subject. River is the subject, flows is the verb. Very simple. Next example, the sun has risen. The sun has risen. So here the sun is the subject. The sun is the subject, has risen is the verb. Let us study a few more examples of this structure with me. Please have a look at the board. The baby cries. The baby cries. Here the baby is the example of subject. Cries is an example of a verb. Another examples. She has danced. She has danced. Here she is the example of subject, has danced is the example of verb. She is the subject. We were studying. We were studying. Here we is the example of subject, were studying is the example of verb. We is the subject, we were studying, we is the example of subject, were studying is the example of a verb. Another example, they had complained. They had complained. They had complained. So here they is the example of a subject. Had complained is an example of a verb. Let us study a few more examples of this structure. The nation mourns. The nation mourns. Here the nation is an example of a subject. Mourns is an example of a verb. Birds chirp. Birds chirp. Here birds is an example of a subject. Chirp is an example of a verb. Subject plus verb. God helps. God helps. Here God is an example of a subject, helps is an example of a verb. She laughs. She laughs. She is an example of a subject. Laughs is an example of a verb. I hope that you must have understood this basic structure of English language. The structure is S plus V. Try to make as many sentences as you can with the help of this structure. This structure is very important when we communicate in English. It is equally important when we write in English. We are going to study a few more structures in my next video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a good day. Thanks for watching the video.